place where no one feels the pain, living without suffering. The roads are paved by loving hands, energy from turning fans. Oh, so won't you open up your eyes so you can see this paradise?